Hi guys, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Nissan 240SX Hot Wheels car. So this car is from Fast and Furious, as you can see in the top there. Fast and Furious logo, and this is also a Hot Wheels premium car. So as you can see, it has fast tuners right there. This is part of the Fast and Furious Hot Wheels set, and this has like more details than other Hot Wheels cars. You see the number plate, and then those rims, the front right here, the Nissan logo. All of those have more detail. I think it's because it's a Hot Wheels premium. I'm not exactly sure, but that's my guess. If you guys have any guesses, you can post them in the comments. So now I'll just show you the back. So this is how the car looks in real life, right there. And then these are some four cars: Mazda RX-7, and there's a Nissan Silvia, 2016 Subaru. The sticker is not showing that actually. Honda Civic EG. Yeah, we have all of those. And now I think we can open it. So right now, here we go. It's actually really hard opening a Hot Wheels car with your hands. It doesn't look, it is not as easy as it looks on camera. Ooh. Yes. Oh, oopsie. That was a mistake. So as you guys can see right here, let's just move all this cardboard. And it also has rubber on the wheels actually. And now Nissan Silvia S14. Wait, this is a Silvia 240S. I'm kind of getting confused right now. But anyway, 2018 Mattel, made in Thailand. Wait, okay. Here's the car. Here's the car right here. I'm going to give you guys a 360-degree view. It actually looks really nice. And my favorite part is probably the number plate. It's like California 3DE B058 and the Nissan logo. I really like that. And then let's continue it. The 360-degree view. And that's the 360-degree view right there. This is the front grille. And it also has the wing right here. Oops, wait. Yeah, now it's going to be well. And yes, that is all I wanted to show on this car. And it's also really fast actually. I'm pretty sure because of the rubber tires. And I also really like how the number plate is actually clear. The number plate. The camera's not. Yeah, now it's able to do it. That's really nice, like detailing. I'm pretty sure it is because it's a Hot Wheels premium. But anyway, that's it for today's video, guys. Bye. See you on the next video.